Now we see the third problem. ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral such that angle A is equal to 4y plus 20 degree, angle B is equal to 3y minus 5 degree, angle C is equal to 4x degree, and angle D is equal to 7x plus 5 degree. Find the four angles. Okay. Here we remain the properties of cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of four angles is 360. Are you reminded? In cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of four angles is the 360 degree, 360 degree, and sum of opposite angles are 180 degree. Okay. So listen, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Opposites angles, the sum of opposites angle is 180 degree. What is the opposite angle? A and C is the opposite angle, and B and D. Okay. So the sum of opposite angles are 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A value is 4y plus 20 degree. So here we write 4y plus 20 plus 4 angle C is 4x degree. So 4x. So 4y plus 20 plus 4x is equal to 180. Therefore 4x plus 4y is equal to 180 minus 20. Therefore we get 160. 4x plus 4y is equal to 160. Here we see the equation, students. The equations is divided by 4. Then we get x plus y is equal to 40. Now we mention the first equation. The next opposite angles B and D. Angle B and angle D is equal to 180. The sum of the angle B and angle D is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we substitute the B and D angles. We substitute the B and D angles values. 3y minus 5 degree. B angle is 3y minus 5 degree. And D angle is 7x plus 5 degree. So 3y minus 5 plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 180. Therefore, 7x plus 3y is equal to 180. Now we mention the second equation. See the first and second equation, students. X plus y is equal to 40 is the first equation, and 7x plus 3y is equal to 180. So here we cancel the any one term. So the first equation is multiplied by 3. Then we get 3x plus 3y is equal to 120. First equation is multiplied by 3. Then we get 3x plus 3y is equal to 120. Second equation as well as we write 7x plus 3y is equal to 180. Now we subtract these two equations. We get 3 plus 3y minus 3y cancel. Then we get minus 4x is equal to minus 60. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 60 divided by 4. Then the value of x is equal to 15. Okay. Now we substitute the value x is equal to 15. And now we substitute the value of x is equal to 15 in equation 1. Then we write 15 plus y is equal to 40. So y is equal to 40 minus 15, 25. So y value is 25. What is the question? Find the four angles. So we find the A, B, C, D angles. Okay. So angle A is equal to the given in this sum of A 4y plus 20. Here we substitute the y value. Then we get 120 degree. So angle A is equal to 120 degree. Angle B value is 3y minus 5 is given in the sum. Now we substitute the value of y is equal to 25. Then we get 3 into 25 minus 5 is equal to 75 minus 5, 70. So angle B is equal to 70 degree. Next angle C, 4x degree. Now we substitute the x value 15. Then we get angle C is equal to 60. The last one D. D is 7x plus 5 degree. So Here we substitute the value x is equal to 15. Then we get 7 into 15 plus 5. So 105 plus 5, 110. So angle D value is 110 degree.